This is L'amour puzzle. It was designed by Jean-Claude Constantine, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 9 parts inside the frame in such a way that all of these weird shapes will become heart-shaped. Like you can see it here, here, or here. They are perfect heart shapes, but the rest, they look like a mess. So you have to reorganize all 9 parts in such a way that it will be a nice picture with all the hearts. If you like the L'amour puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and hit the subscribe button if you would like to access more videos from Puzzle Master. The L'amour puzzle is made from laser cut wood, a traditional material for Jean-Claude Constantine. This puzzle has 9 parts, as I mentioned, and at the first glance they look kind of similar, but when you put one on top of another, you will see that they are not exactly the same, since the shapes, the cutouts are different, and you have to find a correct spot for each of these 9 parts, and only then you will be able to solve the puzzle. You can easily find like spots for like 3-4 parts, but then when you put more parts, it will become clear that you made a mistake somewhere and you have to reorganize the rest of the parts. So it's quite an interesting puzzle and not easy to solve. If you like the L'amour puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca.